Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. I have finally found the perfect grab and go purse. This is perfect for all of my needs. This is the VOROLO crossbody waist pack, and I love it because I was looking for something that wasn't so bulky and that I could use on different occasions. So I love to use this waist pack when I'm running. It's great if you want to carry your headphones, if you want to carry your phone, and just a few basic items. But also, it's awesome for traveling. So it has a really nice back zipper pocket where you can throw your passport, you can throw your cards in there, throw a chapstick in there, and it's really, really lightweight. You have just enough space to fit everything that's essential and everything that you need. I also really like it because you can wear it different ways. So not only can you wear it on your waist, but you can wear it as a crossbody with the pouch either in the front or facing the back. And it's extremely cute. So honestly, what more can you ask for in a bag? If you don't have one of these crossbody waist packs already, I definitely recommend you get one. They are perfect for grab and go and to carry all of your essential items. And that is my point of view.